Hello friends, welcome to our live streaming. This is Noah and Miranda. Today in our live shows we have the September big discount for you guys. You can see the picture behind us.
Thank you, Milin. Thank you for Alex.
Hi friends. So today we have many big promotions for you. If you have any questions, you can just leave your comment, let us know.
Hi Milin, if you want to see the VR showroom, you can go to our lab
page.
Our products page to look at. Yeah. Our company's products page have the VR showroom. Yeah. Hi new friend, welcome to our live streaming.
Today in our live shows, if you follow us and leave your comment, you have the opportunity to get our free samples, and follow us in our store, you can receive our free discount coupons is $20, and that is no minimum spending, and we also have other discount for you. You can go to our store to pick it, and we have the over $1,000 you can get our $50 off, and if you can over $5,000 you can get our $300 off.
Yeah.
So I think it's the biggest discount for you guys. So if you are interested about our products, please follow us. And if you want to know more about our pallets, so don't leave our live shows. We will introduce for you one by one. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment and we can explain for you, okay? Okay, the first one, I think I can introduce our company for you guys. Our company, Longshenghe Beijing Science and Trade Company Limited, was founded on 28 June 2021, located in Beijing City. It's a company specializing in the export of plastic pallets, plastic crates, and other plastic products for you guys. And we have developed long-term business relationships with many production enterprise, storage enterprise, logistics enterprises, and large chain stores around the world. And our pallets are recognized by many well-known brands at home and abroad, such as Red Bull, Nice Group, China Tobacco, Mengniu Milk Industry. Maybe we can see a picture. Yes, you can see the picture behind us. You can see our pallets are widely used in various industries, and those companies in the picture are using our products in warehousing and transportation. And then maybe we can see a video about our company that can help you learn more about our company. And if you still have questions about our company, maybe you can just leave a comment, let us know. Hi new friends.
Hi new friend, welcome to our live streaming.
Yeah. Today we will introduce our 4 type of pallet for you guys.
Yeah. And if you like our live room, like our products, you can click the favorite to get our products.
Hi new friends, welcome.
Hi Baker. Babacar. Welcome. I'm Miranda. This is Nora from Longshenghe company.
Welcome. So if you are looking for the plastic pallet, if you are looking for the pallet for your staking your goods or transportation your goods, maybe you can leave our live shows, and if you don't know how to choose the pallet, we will introduce for you, and we will show our real products for you guys. For your likes. So if you have any questions about our products, you can just leave a comment, let us know, and we will try to help you answer it. If you have any questions about the MOQ, about our factory, about our products, about our pallet, anything you can ask for us. Okay, my friends, so do you have any questions about our company? And I just introduced for you guys. For our new friends, I can introduce for you again. Our company specializing in the export of plastic pallets, plastic crates, plastic garbage bins, and plastic storage boxes. Many different plastic products for you. But today we mainly introduce for you is just our plastic pallet. If you are interested about our other products, maybe you can follow us. In our store you can see more details about all products.
Yeah, today in our live stream, please follow us and leave your comment below, and you will receive our free coupon $20.
Yeah.
Or if you comment below, let me know. You will have opportunity to get more free samples. The free coupon $20 with no minimum spending, and we also have other store discount. You can go to our shop to check it.
Okay, my friends, if you don't have any questions about our company, next we will introduce for you is about our factory.
Thanks, Alex. Thanks for your likes.
Okay, you can see the picture. This one is all kinds of our products. So if you want to know if you want to know the difference between this palette, maybe you can just stay with us.
Next, we will introduce our factory. You can.
Hi new friends, welcome to our live streaming. This is Noy and Miranda.
Yeah, next we will introduce our factory.
Yeah.
Our factory located in Shandong, which has a history of more than 20 years, covering an area of
136,000 square meters.
Yeah. And it's the largest manufacturer of plastic pallets.
Yeah.
And there are more than 50 patent products and over 30 large injection machines in our factory. It has obtained ISO and QHSE management certification.
Yes, you can see the picture about our certifications.
Yeah. We have ISO and QHSE management certification. We also have CE certification. Yeah. If you need, you can contact our customer service staff to consultation and to get it. Yeah. We are original equipment manufacturer factory and accept customers service. You can customize the size, customer logo, and customer color. Yeah, any requirement we will
try my best to help you serve it.
Yeah. The most important is we attach importance to the quality of our products and are committed to providing high quality products to every client. Yeah.
Okay, maybe we can see a video and
Yeah.
help you learn more about our factory. And through this video, we can see our factory, production workshop, production equipment, inventory, and some usage scenarios. Hello friends, if you are still there, maybe you can just leave a comment, let us know. Hi new friends.
Hi Donald.
Welcome. Now we are introduced about our factory, and today's live show we mainly introduce the plastic pallet for you. So if you have interest about these products, or if you are looking for the pallet, maybe you can just stay with us. Now we can just see the video. So if you have any questions, maybe you can just leave a comment, let us know.
Yeah.
and is the largest manufacturer of plastic pallets. And we have more than 50 patent products and over 30 large injection machines and blow molding machines in our factory. And we have obtained ISO and the QHSE and the CE certifications. And we are original equipment manufacturer factory and accept a customized service. If you want to customize your logo and color and your size, you can consult with our customer service staff to get more information. And the most important is we attach importance to the quality of our products and are committed to providing high quality products to every client. So if you are interested about the plastic pallet or about our factory, please follow us, and in our store you can see our more products. And today in our live shows we have many big discounts for you guys. Follow us in our store, you can get our free discount coupons, and we also have many big promotions for you. You can see the picture. And today, if you follow us and leave your comment, you have the opportunity to get our free samples. I think it's the biggest promotion for you guys, so don't miss it, okay? The coupons we can just use it in September. And the next, we will introduce about our pallets. The type of our pallets one by one for you guys, so don't leave our live shows. Okay, if you don't have any questions about our company and our factory, the next one we will introduce about our plastic pallet.
Yeah. You can see this picture.
Yes, you can see all type of pallet we have. Our pallet, we have almost 80% models of plastic pallet on the market, and our pallets are mainly divided into 4 types. The first one is our 9-leg plastic pallet, and our 6 runners plastic pallet, and our 3 runners plastic pallet, and the double-sided pallet, which are suitable for different usage scenarios, such as our 9-leg pallet you can use on different forklift, and also you can just stake in your goods. But this type of pallet you can only use for single layer staking your goods. And our 6 runners pallet, this one also you can just stake in your goods. And this pallet most suitable for multi-layer staking your goods. And also some of this pallet you can be added with steel pipes that can increase the racking load, and you can use it on the shapes. But the most recommend for you use on the shapes is our 3 runners pallet. That one can be added with steel pipes, and you can use for the on the shapes. And the last one is our double-sided pallet. This one, if you require the hygienic and use for the double side, you can choose this pallet. And if you use the pallet, you will know the pallet mainly used HDP and PP materials. And at the same time, we also have 2 processes of blow molding and the injection molding. We not only have the injection molding, but also have the blow molding. You can choose it according to your needs. Okay. And the injection molding process is relatively lighter, and recommend you can use suitable for food and beverage, chemical, medicine, logistics, and other industries. And the injection and the blow molding pallet.
The blow
molding has a better impactor resistance.
Yeah.
Is suitable for food freezing heavy industry.
Injection molding.
Yes, you can choose it according to your needs. Okay.
Yeah. Injection molding pallets are suitable for food and beverage, chemical, medicine, and logistics, and other industries. Yeah.
So if you are interested about the pallet, or you are looking for the pallet to save your warehouse space, maybe you can just stay in our live shows, and we will introduce for you one by one. Okay, and we will recommend the most suitable type for you.
Yeah. And today in our live room, if you follow us and leave your comments below, you will receive our free coupons $20. Yeah, with no minimum spending. And we also have our other store discount. You can go to our shop to check it. It's for $50 off for $1,000 spending, and $300 off for $5,000 spending. Yeah.
And my friends, if you like us, like our products, maybe you can just click the favorite to collection our store, and or just click the likes for us. Thank you, my friends. Okay, so do you have any questions about the pallet? And in September we have big promotions for you. If you follow us in our store, you can get our free discount coupons. And we also have many big discounts for you. If you over $1,000, you can get our $50 off, and if you over $5,000, you can get our $300 off. I think it's the biggest promotion for you guys. And we are not only have the plastic pallet, we also have many different plastic products. If you are interested, you can in our store get more information, or you can just consult with our customer service staff to get more information.
Yeah, if you leave a comment below, you will get information, get an opportunity to get more, get free samples. Sorry.
Yes, and in today's live show, we will show some more details about the pallet for you. So maybe you can just stay a while and wait a minute.哪儿没磨皮？这俩不都磨皮了？
那个没磨。
那个。这个就
我更喜欢那个的感觉。
这个里面就显得人就整个脸都太白了，然后显得你五官都没了，而且你发没发现，就是它只能定位到一个人的脸。
是不是港风？是不是港风的感觉？
对，你就会比我就亮很多。
是我镜头问题。
你的饭到了吗？
我没
点，都不知道。咱们吃什么？
不知道啊。
王总
想吃什么？
王总吃点辣的吧。
你没关声音，你在干啥呢？
我关了呀。
没有，
我刚才特意点了。See the discount in our live shows, and today we mainly introduce for you is about our plastic pallet. And we are not only have the pallet, we also have some plastic crates, plastic garbage bins, and some storage box and the collapsible basket and box for you. So if you are interested about our products, maybe you can follow us, and in our store you can get our free discount coupons, and also you can get more information about our products. And the next one we will introduce for you is about our 9-legged plastic pallet for you. Yes, you can see the picture. You can see the picture is.
没有摄像头吧？
没事，我先出嘛。哎呀妈呀，我又卡死了。OK，
那个，就是在它这歪着呢。
这个。再转。 Okay, you can see the picture. It's look like about our 9-legged plastic pallet. Maybe you can see the picture for the 背面怎么说来着？背面 back behind of this pallet. You can see. Yes, you can see. And this pallet we recommend for you. You can use just staking your goods, and you can use it on different forklift. And also this one I recommend for you. You can just for single lawyer staking your goods because of the 9-legged. You can see, right? It's not suitable for multi-lawyer. And this one I recommend for you is the size is 1200 millimeter, and the width is 1000 millimeter, and the height is 140 millimeters. This is the standard size. And this one, the static load is 4 tons, and dynamic load is just 1 ton. And as you know, we are not only the one side for this type of pallet. We have many sizes and many different load bearing capacity for you. If you want to know more about this, you can just consult with our customer service. We will recommend the most suitable one for you. Okay. This one is the products about our 9-legged pallet. You can see. And the side I just introduced for you. You can just use it for single lawyer staking the goods. And you can see the behind. And this pallet, I think is the lightest about all our pallet. It's the lightest in all kinds of our pallet. Hi, welcome new friends. Now I'm introduced. Hi Park. Now I'm just introduced for you about our 9-legged plastic pallet for you. And the size is the length is 1200 millimeter, and the width is 1000 millimeter, and the height is 140 millimeters. This is the standard size, and if you need other size, we also have, and we also have many different requirements for the load bearing capacity. If you need customized service, also you can just consult with our customer service. Okay. And the 9-legged pallet is the most affordable and the lightweight of all our products, and is 4-way fork for single-sided use. You can see you can use your forklift in this way, right? And this one is suitable for different forklifts. and and also you know the pallet is the lightest, so the process of load and transportation of the products, the load is relatively lighter. I don't recommend for you use for the heavier products. And also it's not suitable for racking or reloading heavy weight goods. It's generally used as a light-duty cargo pallet in the warehouse and the forklifts. And some of our products use this one. As you know, we are not only have the new virgin materials, we also have some recycled materials pallet. If you want the cheapest price, if you don't have too much budget, you can choose the hello new friends, and you just need the one-time use transportation your good. You can choose this type, and with the recycled materials to transportation your good, and the price is most cost effective. And also we have some customized service. Normally we are not the standard color is the blue. We also have green, red, and if you need, we also have the black color for you. And we also have some place to put your logo. This one you can put your logo here if you need the customized service. Like this one. If you need to print your own logo, you can just consult with our customer service staff to get more information, okay? And for my new friends, don't forget, follow us. Today in our live shows, you can get our free discount coupons. And also we have many big promotions for you. And today, in our live show, if you follow us and leave a comment, you have the opportunity to get our free samples. So, my friends, do you have any questions about this type of pallet? If you have any questions, you can just leave a comment, let us know.
Hello dear friends, welcome to our live channel. I'm Hannah here. So during today's live streaming, we're going to introduce our plastic pallet, different type of plastic pallets for you guys, because we have so many different design pallets, so it's suitable for different application, suitable for different usage scenario. Okay, such as we have the 9-leg plastic pallet, we have 3 runners pallets, 6 runners plastic pallet, and also we have the double-sided pallets. Hi dear friends, welcome to our live channel. I'm Hannah here. So during today's live streaming, we're going to introduce our plastic pallets for you guys. We have, this is our first product, is our 9-leg plastic pallets. We are going to introduce all different type of pallets one by one and describe them for the detailed information, and also we will let you know what kinds of usage scenario good for. We will let you know what kind of different type of plastic pallets suitable for different usage scenario. Alright, so please stay with us and leave your comment below. Let me know you are still here. Just maybe you can just comment yes below here, then I will know we are together here. Okay, so now this is our 9-leg plastic pallets. It's a mesh surface, as you can see. This is the mesh surface. Okay, we also have the flat surface if you have the need. Alright, so for the 9-leg plastic pallets, the main difference is this 9-leg plastic pallet, it has the hole on the surface here. So it will be able to nest it with each other, as you can see the behind the foot here. So it will be able to nest it with each other to save the space. Alright, so it will save the space. It will also save a lot of freight costs as well. And also for our 9-leg plastic pallets, it's a customized product. Okay, so we can customize the different size, different color, different loading capacity. Okay, regarding the loading capacity for this 9-leg plastic pallets, for the 9-leg plastic pallets, normally it's not for very heavy products. Okay, if you are looking for the pallets to carry a very heavy product such as 6 tons or 8 tons, 8,600 kilogram products, maybe you can take our 3 runners or 6 runners or double-sided plastic pallets. Okay, but for the 9-leg plastic pallet, it's for not that heavy goods. Okay, and the 9-leg plastic pallet, the price is very cheap compared with other different type of design plastic pallets. Okay, and for the 9-leg plastic pallets, just now I also said it can be nested with each other. Alright, and also for the 9-leg plastic pallets, it's just for simple palletizing, transport goods from one side to the other place. Okay, but this 9-leg plastic pallet cannot be using on the racking system, cannot use on the shifts. As you can see the behind the foot here. Okay, this unable to use on the shifts. Alright, as we all know, for the racking system, it's just the 2 bars over here, front bar and back bar. Okay, so as you can see the foot here, we have the 9 feet behind, so it cannot use on the racking system. It's just for simple palletizing only. Okay, but for the 9-leg plastic pallet, is the it's a 4-way forklift, single side use. Okay, just now I also said for this is our mesh surface pallet. We also have the flat surface if you do have the special needs. Okay, maybe you can just let us to know what's your requirements. Okay, such as your required size, what's your usage scenario. Maybe you can just let us to know you're using the pallets for just a simple palletizing, or you need use the pallet to stack a few layers, or you are using the pallets for racking system use to storage products. Okay, and just now for the pallets is the customized products, customize the color, customize the size, and also we can accept the to print your logo on the surface here. Okay, we have the different color, the normal color, the standard color, which is blue color, but we also can make a white color, red color, yellow color, black color as well. Okay, for our plastic pallet, we have all different type of material. We have the virgin material, we have the normal material, we have the recycled material as well. The best quality, it will be our virgin material. Okay, but if you don't have that much budget, maybe you can choose the recycled material. The pricing will be more cheaper. Hi, welcome back, my dear friends. Nice to meet you here. Maybe you can just leave your comment below. Let us to know what kind of industry you are running right now. If you are running a business in logistic enterprises, food and beverage enterprises, you are definitely very familiar with plastic pallets. Okay, yes, you are definitely very familiar with pallets. Maybe you are using wooden pallets, or okay, but if you are using a wooden pallet, actually in our live streaming we're going to recommend to use the plastic pallet. The reason is plastic pallets is more cost effective, and also the plastic pallets have a long lifespan. Okay, and the plastic pallets will be more strong and durable. Okay, do you guys have any questions regarding our 9-leg plastic pallets? Please feel free to leave your comment below. Let me know so we can answer the questions right now immediately. Okay, so as you can see the sample here, this sample size is, the length is 1200 millimeter and the width is 1000 millimeter. Okay, and the height is 140 millimeter. Regarding the loading capacity, the static loading capacity, which is 4000 kilogram, dynamic loading capacity, which is 1000 kilogram. Okay, if you do have any other inquiries, maybe you also can check our product list below. Okay, you can see which product you're interested in, and then you can just share this product to us, and I can answer the questions right now for you immediately. We also have so many different samples here, and I hope you can stay with me here. You can stay here, and we will introduce them one by one for you. Based on your usage scenario, we will recommend the more suitable products for you. Okay, so next let's check this video of our 9-leg plastic pallets. Okay. Here, currently in our live streaming, we are going to introduce our plastic pallets for you guys. So just now we are introduced is our 9-leg plastic pallets. So I'm not sure what kind of business you are running right now. If you are running a business in logistics, food and beverage, enterprises, you are using pallets definitely, right? Yeah. So if you do have any interest about our products, please leave your comment below, let me know. And also during today's live streaming, we are going to give you a big discount promotion right now. You can get your free coupon $300. You can get your free coupon for $20. You can go to you can follow our Longshenghe channel here. You can go to our store to collect your free coupon. Okay, and also during today's live streaming, you can check our product list below, and you can just share these products to us. Okay, and we have so many samples behind us in our live streaming today, so we can introduce the products for you immediately right away. Okay.
in the process of leading and transportation of 9-leg products. Generally, the lead is relatively light and it's not suitable for ranking or relating heavyweight goods. Yeah, and it's generally used as a light duty cargo pallet in the warehouse and forklifts. Yeah, and the pallet can be bulked together. You can see this one is can bulk together, which saves space and transportation costs. Or there are many customers choose the 9-legged pallets as a one-time transportation. Yeah. So welcome to our live streaming, you guys. And today in our live stream, if you follow us and leave your comment below, you will receive our free coupon $20 with no minimum spending. We also have some other store discount. You can go to our shop to check it. $50 off for $1,000 spending, and $300 for $5,000 spending. Yeah.
Hi new friends, welcome to our live streaming. This is Noi and Miranda.
Hi.
Now we are watching the video about our 9-legged grid plastic pallet. You can see this one you can use on the forklift, and it's a 4-way fork for single-sided use. And we are not only have the grid surface, we also have the flat surface, and the standard size is 1,200 millimeter. The width is 1,000 millimeter, and the height is 140 millimeters. And the static load is 4 tons. Dynamic load is just 1 ton. And we have many different sizes and different load bearing capacity for you can choose. If you want to know more, maybe you can just leave a comment, let us know, and we can introduce for you. Or you can just consult with our customer service staff to get more information. And through this video, you can see more details about this pallet. This pallet is suitable for use on different forklift and for your just single loader staking your goods in your warehouse or transportation your goods, but it's not recommended for you racking, use for racking or reloading heavyweight goods. It's generally used as a light duty cargo pallet in the warehouse and forklifts. So if you are looking for this type of pallet, maybe you can follow us, and today in our live shows you can get in our store you can get our free discount coupons. And if you follow us and leave a comment, you have the opportunity to get our free samples. The video, this one is our injection molding pallet. For this type, we also have the blow molding pallet. You can see the products behind us. This type is the blow molding 9-leg pallet. You can see the behind. You can see the this type of pallet is more heavier than the injection molding pallet. You can see this one, and we can see turn around. And this pallet is heavier than the injection molding pallet. And this is a flat surface. Welcome, new friends.
Hi, new friends. Welcome to our live streaming.
Come close, we can see more details for this type of pallet. You can see here is some design for this one. This design can help you protect your goods. It will not slip off when you use the pallet on the forklift or staking your goods. Okay, and
yes,
also this type. Also here we can see. Here we can print your own logo here if you need print. And we also, this one we have the green color, yellow color, and some red color. Because we accept a customized service. So if you need this customized service, you can just consult with our customer service staff to for consultation, or just leave a comment here.
Yeah. This is the blow molding plastic pallet. Next.
Okay. Okay, my friends. The next one we will introduce for you is about our six-runner plastic pallet.
Yeah.
You can see this one, the color is red. We just introduced for you about the customized service. So also you can customize the green or red color. And this one, the size.
Wow.
And this one, the size I will introduce for you is about 1,200 millimeter, and the width is 1,000 millimeter, and the height is 150 millimeters.
Yeah.
And the static load is 3 tons, and dynamic load is 1 tons. And we are not only just the one side. We have many different sizes and different requirements for the load bearing capacity. If you want to know more, maybe you can just take a look about our in our store. You can just take a look, and if you want somebody recommend the suitable for you, you can just consult with our customer service staff. Okay. And this pallet is recommended for palletizing and staking your goods. You can use it for the multi-layer staking your goods in your warehouse, and it can save your warehouse space. And this type of pallet is loved by our customers for its practicality and styles. And this one is not only suitable for. It's not only suitable for ventral staking in warehouse, but also suitable for use on various shapes. Some of this type can be added with steel pipes, so you can use it on the shapes.
So as Nora introduced, this is our 6-runner plastic pallet. This pallet is suitable for palletizing and staking goods, and is loved by our customers for its practical and styles. Yeah, you can see it's very beautiful. Yeah, and it's not only suitable for mounture staking in warehouse, but also suitable for use on various shelves. Yeah.
Okay, so let's get introduce our 6-runners plastic pallets for you guys. So before I start to introduce, I would like to give simple questions for you guys. This is our 6-runners plastic pallets. Whether I'm not sure whether my friends here you are looking for the pallets used on what kind of usage scenario, but for this 6-runners plastic pallets, I would like to say if you are looking for simple palletizing, looking for stack of your layers, looking for put the pallets on the racking system, you can choose these 6 runners plastic pallets. As you can see, our 6 runners plastic pallet is the single side use, 4-way forklift use, the single side use. Okay, let's turn around this. Okay, as you can see in our live streaming today, we have so many different samples here. So during today's live streaming, feel free to leave your comment below. Let me know what kind of questions do you have, and also if if you have any more questions regarding the different samples, you can just send the link to us. So we will introduce this sample for you immediately. Okay, during today's live streaming, we have these 9-leg pallets, 3 runners plastic pallets, 6 runners plastic pallets, and also we have the double-sided pallets as well. So just now my colleague already introduced the 9-leg plastic pallets for you. We already introduced the mesh surface 9-leg plastic pallets, flat surface 9-leg plastic pallets, and also we already introduced our blow molding 9-leg pallets as well. So this one is our 6 runners plastic pallets. Okay, so this is the behind part. How does it look like behind? As you can see, if you're looking for the pallets to loading very heavy goods, so you can choose these pallets as well. And also these pallets can add in steel pipe to add in the steel pipe to make sure the stability on the racking system. Okay, and also if you're looking for stack of few layers, I will highly recommend this 6 runners plastic pallets for you guys. Okay, so this 6 runners plastic pallets is perfect for stacking a few layers goods. Okay, and also I would like to share with you guys one more time, our plastic pallets is customized products. We can customize the different size, different loading capacity for you guys. Okay, such as these samples here is just one of the standard size. Is a 1200. The length is 1200. And hi my dear friends, welcome back to our channel.
Hi Alex, welcome back.
Okay, so let's keep introduce. The length is just a standard size. The length is 1200 and the width is 1000 millimeter and the height is 150 millimeter. Okay, so if you're looking for other size, you can just let us to know. Okay, we have many different sizes. We have the 1000 length, 1000 width. Okay, and we have the 11 100 millimeter as well. Okay, so you can just feel free to share with us what's your requirement. All right, and also for the 9-leg for these 6 runners plastic pallets, you can see the front side, this black color here, over this place, this is our non-slip mask. Okay, we have the 16 non-slip masks on one side. So this item will protect your goods to be more stable, it's not easy to be slip off during transportation. Okay, just now I also said for this 6 runners plastic pallets is the single side use. It's a four-way forklift single side use. Okay, and also this one is our mesh surface 6 runners plastic pallets. If you have this special need, you are looking for the flat surface, you don't want the mesh surface, we also have. Just feel free to share with us. So for my new friends here, if you do have any needs, just let us to know. We will try our best to recommend we will try our best to recommend the suitable product to you based on your usage scenario. Okay? Do you guys have any more questions regarding our pallets? Please feel free to leave your comment below. Let us know. Hi dear friends, welcome back to our live channel. I'm Hannah here. So just currently we are introducing our 6 runners plastic pallets for you guys. Perfect, suitable for stacking a few layers and transportation, simple palletizing. Okay. If you do have any other needs, please let us know. Or you also can check our product list here. You will see we have so many different designs, so many different type of the plastic pallets. So later I will introduce them one by one for you as well. So I hope you can stay with us in our live streaming. Maybe you can just comment yes below, yes at the comment place, so I will know you are still here. Okay, and also for my new friends here, we would like to share with you one more time. During today's live streaming, we have this exclusive discount promotion for you guys. You can just simply click the follow button, follow our Longshenghe channel here. You will get this $20 free coupon in our live streaming, and this coupon is no minimum spending. Okay, leave your comment below, then you will have this opportunity to get our free samples. Okay, and also for our plastic palette, this is the red color. We also have other different color. We have this yellow, white color, green color, blue color, and other colors. You can just feel free to let us know. And also our palette I also said our plastic palette is the customized product. Okay, you can just let us know what do you need, what's your requirements. Okay, so this is the information about our 6 runners plastic pallets. So let's show you this video of our 6 runners plastic pallets. If you do have any other inquiry or questions, just feel free to leave your comment below. Our live channel. I'm Hannah here. It's nice to meet you. Hi new friends, welcome back to our live channel. I'm Hannah here. So currently we are introduced our plastic pallets for you. Just now we already introduced our 9-leg plastic pallets. We already introduced our 6 runners plastic pallets. So next I'm going to introduce our 3 runners plastic pallets for you. But I would like to summarize the 2 samples difference for you once again. For our 9-leg plastic pallets, right? If you're just looking for the pallet to do the simple palletizing, just for transport product to the other places, and not using on the sheaf, not using to stack a few layers, you can take our 9-leg plastic pallets. Okay, but if you're looking for the pallet to stack a few layers, and also maybe the goods is quite heavy, I will recommend you can take our 6 runners plastic pallets. Okay, so next this is our 3 runners plastic pallets. For our 3 runners plastic pallet, you can see the behind it has 3 legs. Yeah, that's why we have the 3 runners plastic pallet. Okay, and the front part, okay, let me turn it around. Okay, this is how does it look like in front. Okay, this is the mesh surface. Okay, we also have the flat surface. If you're using a pallet to carry like some special things, special goods, you need the pallet to be very smooth on the surface, and you don't want the holes on the surface here. Maybe you can just let us know, and we have the flat surface pallet for you as well. Okay, for the main difference for our 3 runners plastic pallet, the 3 runners plastic pallet is just it's a perfect suitable for using on the racking system, using on the sheaf. Okay. Because as we all know, just now I also showed it has a 3 leg behind. Let's see, you have the racking, you have the sheaves, it's just a front bar and back bar. So it just nicely put on the sheaves very well. And also for our 3 runners plastic pallet, you need us to know what's the kilogram, what's the weight of your required on the racking system for the pallets. How many kilogram product you are going to put on the pallets, because based on your racking loading capacity need, we need adding the steel pack to make sure these pallets will not that easy to be bent when you put the pallet on the racking system. Okay, so we will add in steel pack over this runner here. Okay, sometimes we need add in 3 steel pack, sometimes we need to add in 8 steel pack. It's all based on the how many racking loading capacity you need. Okay, and for my new friends here, we have so many different sizes of these 3 runners plastic pallets. We have the 1000 times 1000. We also have the 1200 times 1200. Okay, so because this is the customized products. Okay, so I say you just let us to know what's the size you are required, what's the loading capacity you are required, such as the static loading capacity and dynamic loading capacity, and also the racking loading capacity as well. Okay, and also for our 3 runners plastic pallet is the 4-way forklift, the single side use also. Okay, and the other thing is our 3 runners plastic pallets. Just now I also showed you it has the 3 runners, has the 3 leg behind. So for the other advantages for these pallets is these pallets can be packed together with each other. Hi dear friends, welcome back to our live channel. I'm Hannah here. Nice to meet you. So currently we are introduced our 3 runners plastic pallets. It's perfect using our racking system. Okay, just now I also said you need us to know how many kilogram you are going to put on the pallets. Based on the weight, we need add in the steel pack to make sure the pallet not that easy to be bent when you're putting on the racking system or the sheaves. Okay, just now let's keep introduce the other advantages for this pallet is it can be packed together with each other to save the space. So because some of the pallets, right, some of the pallet like our 3 runners pallet, 6 runners plastic pallet, it just put on the container simply, but for our, as you can see here, I'm not sure whether you can see it very clear or not. It can pack together with each other, so it will save a lot of spaces when you import or export products. Okay, so it will save the space and also it will save your logistic cost. Okay, because for our, let's say for 20-feet container, our 6 runners pallets, the same size of our 6 runners plastic pallets, normally it can loading around like 300 or 400 pieces based on the size. But for our 3 runners plastic pallet, just now I also showed you, it can pack together, so it will load more quantities compared in the 20-feet container compared with our 6 runners plastic pallets. Okay.
Thank you.
Hi, new friends. Hi, Luna. Okay, nice to meet you. I'm Hannah here. Just currently, we'll introduce our 3 runners plastic pallets for you. If you do have any other questions or inquiries, or if you do have any other places you're not very clear, or you are not very understand what I'm saying, maybe you can just leave your comment, let me know. Okay. Or if you do have any other interest for other products, you can just share the products to us so we can introduce them one for you immediately. Okay, just now we already introduced our 9-leg pallets, 6 runners pallets, and this one is our 3 runners plastic pallets. They all suitable for different usage scenario. Let's see, just now for our 9-leg pallets, right, it's suitable for simple palletizing. Just a display on the floor. Our 6 runners plastic pallet is perfect for stacking a few layers, and our 3 runners pallet is perfect using on racking system. Okay, so based on your usage scenario, so we can recommend the more suitable products for you guys, because as we all know, we have so many different design type of the plastic pallets. Okay, so you need to share with us what's your usage scenario, what size do you need, and what's the and also what's the loading capacity you are required. Okay. And also for my new friends here, during today's live streaming, we have this exclusive promotion. You can follow our Longshenghe channel. You can follow our Longshenghe channel, then you will have this $20 free coupon with no minimum spending. Okay. And also you can go to our store to check what kind of other promotion we have. You also have this you can get $3 coupon for 5,000 spending. Okay, if you do have any other questions, please leave your comment, let us to know. check our product list. You can just share the product to us, which one you are interested, so we can introduce them for you immediately. And also we have the samples behind us, so we can share to you right away. Okay, feel free to leave your comment below, then you will have this opportunity to get our free samples. And also you can follow our Longshenghe, you will get this $20 free coupon with no minimum spending. Okay,
我要干啥来着？
Hi friends, welcome back.
hi my dear friends, welcome back. Do you have any interest about our products? Please let us to know. Okay, we have so many different design of the plastic pallets. We have the 9-leg pallets, 3 runners plastic pallets, 6 runners pallets, and also we have the double-sided pallets as well. You may can just share with us what's your usage scenario, or maybe using for a racking system, using for stacking a few layers, or you just for the floor palletizing. You can just share with us, so we can recommend the most suitable product for you based on your usage scenario, based on your application. Okay. Hi dear friends, I hope you can follow our Longshenghe channel here. You can just click the follow button. You will get this $20 free coupon with no minimum spending. Okay, and also during today's live streaming, we have this promotion for you guys. Leave your comment below, then you will have this opportunity to get our free samples. Okay.
Yes, friend, if you have any questions, just leave a comment and we can help you answer it. And we just introduced the 9-leg pallet, 6 runners plastic pallet, and the 3 runners plastic pallet. If you are interested about those products, maybe you can leave a comment and I can introduce for you again. And my new friends, if you are looking for the pallet or some other plastic products, maybe you can follow us. And today in our live shows, if you follow us and leave a comment, you have the opportunity to get our free samples. And in our store, if you follow us, and in our store you can get our free discount coupons. Okay, my friends, the next one we will introduce for you is also the three runners palette, because we will not only have the grid surface, we also have the flat surface for you. You can see the picture here, right? How does look the grid flat surface palette? The size of this type of palette length is 1200 millimeter. Hi, new friends, welcome. And the width is 1000 millimeter, and the height is 150 millimeters. And this one we can add with 8 steel pipes. So the static load is 6 tons, the dynamic load is 1.5 tons, and the racking load is 1 tons. And most of our flat pallet can be added with steel pipes to increase the bearing capacity, and the surface of flat pallets plastic pallets is smooth and free of spikes, which will not cause damage to operators and goods. For industries such as medicine and food, it is required to be clean and hygienic. And the advantage of flat plastic pallet for easy cleaning can just meet the hygienic requirements. Hi, new friends, welcome. So if you are looking for the hygienic and the easy to clean pallet, you can choose this type of flat surface. And also the 9-legged, we have the flat 9-legged pallet. We also have a flat surface, and we have the real products. Can show you. You can see here. This is our 3 runners flat surface pallet. You can see the surface is very clean and smooth. And also we have the type like the picture. The black item is the rubber anti-slip mask. This one also you can like this. This one doesn't have the mats. And we also have the pallet can be added with steel pipes, but also have the cannot add with. And also, if you want print your own logo, you can print here. Sorry, you can print here. You can print your own logo here and here and here.找镜头找了半天。这个有视频吗？
没有。有呢？啊，不知道，没有。没有。
So if you are interested about the 3 runners flat pallet, maybe you can leave a comment, let me know. And what's your requirements? I can introduce for you or just recommend the most suitable one for you.
你可以介绍它加工。这个不能加。
我想把它背面展示一下，哎，那不能加工。
哎呀，你就说加了，这
你就已经跟他们加了。
对，
他都说完了呀，我还说什么？我刚坐那儿的时候说完了。
换个人说。
你来，待会儿说。
那时候可以加管。没事，那你别说了。
这么点。Okay. Maybe we can see a video, and if you have any questions, you can just leave a comment, let us know. Give me some video. Thank you. And for the 3 runners palette, just the 3 runners palette.
to our live channel. I'm Hannah here. Nice to meet you in our live streaming today. During today's live streaming, we have introduced our plastic pallets for you. We already introduced our 9-leg pallets, 3 runners pallets, 6 runners pallets for you based on the different usage scenario. Maybe you can just share with us what's your usage scenario. Let's see whether you are using the pallets you are looking for the pallets for floor palletizing, or you are looking for the pallets to stack a few layers, or you are looking for the pallets to use it on the racking system. So you can share with us what's your usage scenario, so we can recommend the suitable plastic pallets for you based on your usage application scenario. Okay. Our plastic pallets we have the mesh surface and the flat surface as well, because mostly the more common plastic pallet is the mesh surface, but some of our clients, they are required for the flat surface. I guess they are using the pallets to carry some special goods, so they are required for the surface must be smooth and flat, not mesh surface. Okay, so you can just share with us what's your need. Okay, so we will try our best to satisfy you. The other thing is, for our plastic pallet is the customized products. Okay, based on, we have so many different sizes. We have the 1000 length and 1000 width. We also have the 1200 length, 1200 width as well. So you can just share with us what size do you need. Okay, and also different loading capacity, different size, the price is also different. So we are based on your usage scenario application. We can recommend the suitable products for you, and we can give the correct product code to you as well. Okay, so if you do have the other questions or inquiries, please just leave your comment below, or you also can contact our staff service later to consultate in all the product problem or questions. And during today's live streaming, we have this exclusive promotion for you guys. You can just follow our Longshenghe channel on the upper left corner. You can just click the button. You will get our $20 free coupon with no minimum spending. Okay, and also you can also go to our Longshenghe store to check what kind of other product that we are selling in our store right now. Okay, please, maybe you can just comment yes below and let me know you are still here with us. Okay. our plastic pallets for you. Just now we have introduced our 9-leg pallet, 3 runners pallets, and 6 runners pallets. So the next one is our double-sided plastic pallets. Actually, most of our normally we will recommend this double-sided plastic pallets for our clients is for if they are looking for the pallets to carry very heavy products. Okay. And also this double-sided pallet is the double-sided use. For forklift, double-sided use. Okay, as you can see the pictures behind me here, this is the mesh surface double-sided plastic pallets. We have so many different sizes. Maybe I just pick one size for you. The size is the length is 1300 millimeter, and the width is 1100 millimeter, and the height is 150 millimeter. So for this double-sided plastic pallet, the static loading capacity is 6,000 kilogram. Dynamic loading capacity, which is 1.5 ton, and the racking capacity load is 700 kilogram. Okay, the double-sided plastic pallets, it can be used for palletizing, forklifts, and shifts. It has the largest loading capacity among all pallets, even without the steel pipes. Okay, this double-sided pallets also can use on the racking system. Okay. It can also bear the static loading of 5 or 6 tons of goods. And we will introduce these double-sided pallets, double-sided welding pallets. The welding pallets means the upper and the lower plastic pallets are welded into a whole plastic pallet through a special process. Because of the double-sided pallets can be used to carry goods on both sides. Okay. More raw material are used in the production process, and the weight will be heavier than other types of plastic pallets. So the price will be higher, of course, right? So the price will be higher than other different design pallets because it's used more raw material, and the loading capacity will be more heavy, and the product itself is also more heavy than other products. Therefore, when stacking, it can ensure that the goods are evenly stressed and not easy to be squeezed and deformed. Let's say if you are using the pallets for stacking a few layers, and also you want to make sure the goods are evenly stressed, and also you want to make sure the goods will not be squeezed or deformed. So you can take our double-sided plastic pallets. Okay, actually normally if you're looking for the pallets for stacking a few layers, we'll recommend our 6 runners plastic pallets. But 6 runners plastic pallet is a 4-way forklift single side use. So some of our friends, they may have these special needs. They want to make sure the goods or the bank will want to make sure it's not that easy to be squeezed or deformed. You can take our double-sided plastic pallets. Okay. So this is the information about our double-sided plastic pallets, and also you can see the pictures behind us. Normally, it can carry more heavy goods over 8,000 kilograms. Okay, so let's check this video of our double-sided plastic pallets. If you have any other inquiries or any other questions, please feel free to leave your comment below. Let us know. Our live channel, I'm Hannah here. So just now we already introduced actually it is almost the end of today's live streaming information. We already introduced our company, our factory, and our plastic pallets for you. For our plastic pallets, we have many different design, many different types of plastic pallets. We have our 9-leg plastic pallets, and our 3-runners pallets, 6-runners pallets, and the double-sided pallets. We have the samples behind us. Most you can see the samples behind is more like a mesh surface, but if you require for the smooth flat surface, we also have. You can just feel free to let us to know. Okay, based on the different usage scenario, we can recommend the suitable products for you and provide the codes to you as well. Okay, and we also have the many different sizes and the loading capacity. You can just share with us what's your requirement. Okay, if you have any other questions or problem, you can just feel free to share with us, so we can help you to answer the question right now immediately. And also during today's live streaming, we have this exclusive discount. You can get the $20 free coupon once you followed our Longshenghe. Just the upper left corner here, you can click the button, you will get the $20 free coupon. Okay, and also we also have other promotion discount coupon in our store. You can go to our Longshenghe store to check what kind of product we are selling in our store. And also we have this different level of the coupon for you to collect as well. So feel free to share with us what you require and what's your questions. Okay,
Yes, for my new friends, if you are interested about our plastic products, maybe you can just follow us. In our store, you can get our free discount coupons. And also, today in our live shows, if you follow us and leave a comment, you have the opportunity to get our free samples. I think it's the biggest promotion for you guys. And we also have the many different price for the discount. Maybe you can just consult with our customer service staff. And our store not only have the plastic pallet, we also have some plastic crates, collapsible box, and baskets, and some plastic garbage bins. So if you are interested about those products, please follow us. And also, if you have any questions, you can just leave a comment and we can help you answer it. So my friends, maybe you can just leave a comment, let us know you are still with us, and leave a comment. Okay, my friends, for our today's live show, we just have the last 5 minutes. You can just leave a comment, leave your comment. 我的文真大哥，吃太多了。你再尝尝能不能脆？你把声音关了吗？ If you have any questions, you can just leave a comment. Maybe you want ask our MOQ, our customized service, or any other questions. And today we just introduced the 9-leg pallet 6 runners pallet and the 3 runners and the double-sided pallet for you. And those products you can use for different usage scenarios according to your needs. Okay, my friends, if you are interested about the plastic pallet, or you are interested about the pallet, or you are looking for the pallet, maybe you can follow us and we will provide you the most cost-effective price for you, and we will recommend the most suitable one for you. And follow us, you can get more activities about our products. And also in our store you can see all kinds of products. And maybe there's someone you are interested or you are looking for. And also if you have any questions, you can just consult with our customer service staff, and we will try our best to answer you. And also if you are interested about all our products, or you want to know more about our products, maybe you can just ask for our catalog and we will send for you. And then you if you have interest, maybe you can just consult with our customer service staff. Okay.
Okay, for my new friends here, I would like to share with you once again about this promotion in this month. We have this $20 free coupon once you follow our live streaming in our live stream. Once you follow our Longshenghe channel in our live streaming today, you will get this $20 free coupon with no minimum spending. Okay, and also you can just feel free to leave your comment below. Let us you will have this opportunity to get our free samples. If you do have other inquiries about our products, you can just contact our customer service staff. Then you can just consult with them. You can share with us what size do you need, and what's your usage scenario, and also what's the loading capacity. Okay, you are required. So we will recommend the suitable products based on your usage scenario and provide the code to you. Okay, because we all know, the plastic pallet is the customized product. Okay, so we can customize the different size, different loading capacity, different color, and also we can print your logo on the surface. Okay, so actually all in one word is you can just let us to know what's your requirement, so we will try our best to satisfy you. Okay, so this is today's live streaming. I hope I hope we can see you next time as well. If you do have any other questions in the future, you can just feel free to contact us, so we are always here with you. We will answer your questions immediately. Okay, hi dear friends, welcome back to our live channel. I'm Hannah here. Actually, currently already the end of this live streaming today. So if you do have other inquiries about our plastic pallets, you can just feel free to contact our customer service. See you next time. Bye bye.
几分了？
对呀，不是吗？
不是9点03，看着吧。好，3点和3分看着。到了，3个小时。
好了吗？
好。
结束了。
停止。这边停止就 OK 了吗？我不知道这边怎么关。
我也不知道。
这个先关了。谁回来？
还没呢。你可以先叫。我把这儿先弄整齐先。我将爱你说爱的人间，明天再来整理吧。贵，喂，不懂呢。
这是啥样？
好了吗？
这谁的电脑？你电脑你帮我去拿。